What up guys? So in today's video I'm gonna be drawing a butterfly instead of a bell with colored pencils. So let's get into it. Yeah yo.
Strange Black Beats.
So guys, when I drew this drawing, I used a few colored pencils, and you're gonna see those colored pencils in the description area, and you will see a list of different colored pencils. But I used a lot of pencils, even though it's not an exact replica of the reference picture. I like to say that I tried, right? For a beginner artist who is self-teaching himself, it's really hard to learn those things, how to blend, how to do this with colored pencils, especially this kind of a butterfly. And you might be wondering why I used the same picture to draw a lot of different drawings. That's because I want you guys to see the progress that I've made while I was using colored pencils, from when I first done my first picture to now doing my first picture. And I'm gonna be doing a second one if you're gonna agree with me. But for now, I just want y'all to enjoy the music. That's what I wanted to explain. And I didn't have a white gel pen. That's why I couldn't make those white strokes of a butterfly. So I just used colored pencils, and I used a white colored pencil to blend my colors. And I'll explain on another video why I use colored pencil, why I used a white colored pencil to blend my pencils. I hope you enjoy the music. Let's get into the video. Yeah yo. guess I'm done. I don't have much to do. This is it.